In today's digital age, we all have multiple online accounts, from social media to banking. And with so many different passwords to remember, it can be easy to fall into the trap of using the same password for multiple accounts. But this can be a major security risk. If a hacker gains access to one of your accounts, they can easily use that password to access your other accounts as well. That's where password managers come in. A password manager is a tool that helps you generate and store complex, unique passwords for each of your online accounts. With a password manager, you only need to remember one master password to access all of your other passwords. And because the passwords are generated by the password manager, you don't have to worry about coming up with a strong password yourself. In addition to generating and storing passwords, many password managers also include features like two-factor authentication, making your passwords even more secure. Overall, using a password manager is an easy and effective way to improve your online security and protect your personal information and make life easier. Check out the links in the description for money-saving deals on the top password managers. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos from Way Easy.